guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitzel for those of you who do not know, and welcome. Hi guys, I am back. It's been a while since I've done this. I really missed it, but I did start a new job and that has been taking almost every second of my life. Yep, that's why I've been missing. I've been missing doing this so much, so today I've decided to stop making up excuses and just do it. So today's video, I'm just gonna share with you a fall makeup look. I have just gotten the Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals eyeshadow palette with Morphe. I'm thinking of doing like a hot chocolate inspired look. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm very excited and let's see how this goes. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot, and let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is a shade 2.5 Fair. You guys know I love this stuff. I'm still loving this stuff. And I'm just gonna apply it as a base for my makeup. Say hello to my little friend there. I don't want to touch it because it's just bacteria, so we're just gonna go around it. I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. Alright, so now for my foundation, I'm gonna use the Ordinary Serum Foundation. I'm obsessed with this thing. I use it every single day. I just love how my skin looks. And I just take one pump, and with a brush, just gonna apply it. I don't know why I love this foundation. I just love how my skin looks with it. Maybe the next video is like my everyday makeup, but I always do that. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I have been uploading like mini makeup tutorials there. I haven't posted a lot. I'm more on TikTok, but yeah. This foundation is great and it's super inexpensive. It's like $7-8 bucks. I get mine from Ulta. I think that's the, I mean, besides their website, you can get from. And I'm using a new brush, but I don't want to talk about it because I'm going to talk about this in another video, but I applied it today with this brush and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I've been obsessed with this concealer. Again, another product I used to not like, but now I can't get enough of it. Just apply in my inner corner and outer like this. And I'm gonna take some in the back of my hand and apply it to the little pimple there. I never like to apply like concealers or anything directly from the wand to a pimple because it's basically bacteria. So I just blend it out and then put some hand sanitizer because we don't want to get that bacteria somewhere else. I'm gonna blend my concealer with my finger. This has been my favorite way to blend out this concealer because this concealer can be a little bit dry. So I think with the warmth of my skin, of my body, it blends out perfectly. And I'm just gonna go over with my beauty blender and blend furthermore. Now you know this, to set my under eyes, I'm gonna use a Glossier powder. This is my favorite loose powder ever. And set my under eyes. I just love how it makes my skin look. It doesn't look dry or anything. And this is actually like what I use every single day. I've been dying to record a video with natural lighting, but I work from 9 to 5, 6 days a week. And right now, with the hour changing, I'm getting out of 5 and it's already dark outside, so maybe a Sunday I'll have to do that. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Putty bronzer. This is an amazing bronzer from the drugstore. I love it. Just gonna apply it with this dual fiber brush. I love those looks when the skin is like super natural, but the eyes, it's very glam. That's the look I'm going for today. It's been a while since I've done my makeup. Usually for my job, I do like my everyday makeup, but like a full glam. Well, no, the last time I did one was for my niece's first communion. It was me and my sister were both her godmothers. They're her godmothers, and that's I think the only time like recently that I've done like full face of makeup. Now for highlighter, I haven't used this in a while. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Beauty Light Wand and Spotlight, and I'm just gonna use this because like I said, I haven't used it in a while. Have you seen the trend where they take like a white eyeliner, like those NYX jumbo pencils, and they're highlighting with it? I haven't tried it, but I'm very interested in that because it might look good. The videos I've seen, it looks pretty nice, but you never know. I like this highlighter, but if I were to choose one, I would just go in with the Charlotte Tilbury, the Hollywood Flawless filter. For blush, I'm gonna use this. This is the Nars Air Matte Blush in Hushed. It's a very light, natural color. I'm gonna play it with this brush, which is a bit difficult to get out of there, but just play it. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, but I wanna share with you the products I'm gonna use. The first one, I'm gonna go in with the KOSAS Airbrow Gel in the shade Medium Brown. If I need to fill any areas, I'll just go in with the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in the shade Espresso. So I'm gonna do that off camera and be right back. Alright, eyebrows are done, and I did zoom you in because we're gonna start with eyes. I'm gonna prime my eyes using the Rare Beauty Always and Optimistic eye primer. I think that's what it's called. I might be lying. I'm just gonna apply it to my eyes. 3 dots. I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Divine Neutrals, and look at this. I have these shades in other palettes, yes, but I do like the eyeshadows Jaclyn Hill brings out with Morphe, and I just had to get it. So okay, so first I'm just gonna go in with just barely go in with it very lightly. This is gonna be like the overall transition shade. I'm trying to make like a smoky eye, but I want to make it like super smoky. I want to kind of build it up, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna take this on my crease and also a little bit on my eyelid. I don't want it to be like really intense. I just want like a wash of color. You know, I like to go straight to create that shape on my eye because my eyes are really round and downturned, so I really want to make them straight, like an almond shape eye. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Booked. Just apply a little bit of this to my outer corner. I'm gonna bring a little bit of depth into this eye. I mean, I'm gonna add like a dark brown. I just want a bit of depth. Bit in the crease, but I'll stay in the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Boo Bear and start really making this smoky. I'm starting on the base of my lashes and blending upwards. I think this is gonna help a bit when it comes to blending. Again, creating that shape with my eye. Elongate a bit. And go like straight, like that. Why is it that with one eye it's super easy and the other it's Skinny little thing. Does that happen to everyone or just me? Like, this eye went super smoothly and this one is not. Okay, I'm gonna take both and bring it just here a bit and just to blend it out. Because we're doing a brown smoky eye, I don't mind making my lid a bit darker when I'm having a bit of trouble with this eye, not this eye. This eye is perfect. The other one is not. Now I'm gonna go in with, I think, strip tease, and play with my finger and just see if this is the shade I want. Oh my god, that's a beautiful shade. Oh wow, look at that. Really pretty. Oof, 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 oof. I am seeing something, like it looks pretty, but why does one eye look different than the other? I'm actually gonna go with Good Vibes, which is next to it. It's a bit darker. Kind of just concentrate it more on my crease. Gonna go again with Boo Bear. Concentrate it on the outer corner. I'm gonna go with this big fluffy brush and just go with just barely go over all those shades and really blend them out, really smoke them out. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Good Vibes first and just run that all over my under eye, not my under, my lower lash line. Kind of connect it over here. What I'm doing is starting from the inner corner, just swiping to the outer corner and making like a wing. Wait, is it a wing? No, I'm just extending that part of my eye. I keep it really close to my lash line because if I bring it a bit lower, it's gonna make my eyes look rounder, so we don't want that. Now with the more like detailed brush like this one, I'm gonna go with Boo Bear and mostly concentrate it in my outer corner and connect it like that, like so. Just really concentrate in this outer corner and also the inner part of the eye, and don't connect those lines there. And this is just gonna help elongate your eye. You're gonna see right now with the eyeliner. I've seen a lot of people do this on TikTok and I tried it once and I'm never going back. I have really round eyes and I want my eyes to look more almond shaped and smaller. This is a great trick for me, but if you want to make your eyes look bigger, I would just apply a lot of like more lightness in the lower lash line instead of like dark. But you can already tell a bit of a difference. I think I should apply eyeliner, but it should be brown. I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna do like a smoked eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Bold Brown. I love this eyeliner. I use it every single day to tightline my lash line. Right now we're gonna create a liner. What I'm doing here is just creating a liner that's really close to my lash line, and as I get to the outer corner, I'm just making it a bit thicker. Because I'm gonna smoke it out, I'm not being super precise, but I also don't want to make it super thick, so not being precise, but being careful. I'm gonna also take a little bit here on my lower lash line and connect it, kind of wing it out, but I don't want to create a wing, just something like that. Now from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna take the darkest shade, which is Cinnamon Roll. And with this shade, I'm just gonna smoke out that liner we just applied. And with the eyeliner, because I don't wanna like super defined wing, I'm kind of just like blending it in waterline, I'm just gonna take it to the outer corner and just right there. Not even through half, and then also in the inner part, inner corner. And I don't connect them. Just like that. Again. I'm gonna apply a bit to my upper waterline. So this is how the eyes came out. I'm gonna apply mascara off camera. Okay, because these eyes are a bit more dramatic, I wanna go with something that has more volume and more dramatic look. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. I'm gonna do that off camera and be right back. All right, lashes are done. I did apply some individual lashes. They're these, the Ardell Lash Trios. I've added medium, small, medium, small. I get two sizes, so I apply it on my outer corners, medium, then next to them, small, and then again, medium, and then again, small. Because I think this helps a bit. They're looking a bit too dramatic, but this eye is dramatic and looks pretty nice. I hope so. In person, it looks nice. All right, so let's try this look. For my lip liner, I'm gonna use the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics. It's the Handbag Ho lip liner. I don't think she sells this shade anymore. I don't know. I'm a bit confused with her whole rebranding. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this. It's like a true brown lip liner. One thing I love about Kylie Cosmetics is her lip liners. But again, I don't understand the whole rebranding, but to each their own. Now I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousse in the shade Love You More. Let's see how this looks. And actually, I'm also gonna play another shade from the Wet n Wild Cloud Pout and the shade Fluffer Mutter. I'm gonna take a bit on the back of my hand and with my finger, just gonna apply two. Just on top of this, just a bit. I don't think I made a difference, but okay, to set my face, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I love this setting spray, it's so good. Okay, and because the setting spray did add a little bit of glow, I'm gonna go in with the KOSAS Cloud Set Powder, and I'm just gonna feather it all over my face, or where I see that glowiness shining through. It's not gonna completely make it matte, but it's just gonna calm it down a bit. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That helps me out a lot and you can keep seeing this lovely face on your YouTube. You can also follow me on my other social medias, which I always leave here. I remember which side. And also they're gonna be linked in the description box below. Every product I use today is gonna be in the description box below. Yeah. I love you very much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!